In the previous video, we understood the array command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to create multiple copies of an object in a pattern like rows, columns, and circular arrangements. Now, in this video, we'll understand a very simple command, but very important command, the erase command. The erase command is used to remove the object from the drawing. For example, if you draw a wrong line, circle, rectangle, chair, wall, symbol, or any object, and you don't need it anymore, you can erase it. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the erase command in a very simple way. The erase command is used to delete objects from the drawing. Think of it like using an eraser on a paper. If something is wrong or not needed, you can remove it. So in the simple way to remember is this. Erase means removing the selected object from the drawing. Before using erase, let's understand one important difference. Erase and trim are not the same. The trim command removes the only part you don't want it. The erase command removes the full object. For example, if you have one long line and you use trim, only the extra part disappears. But if you use erase, the entire line gonna disappear. So remember, trim removes the part of an object. Erase removes the whole object. This is very important because beginners use often erase when they actually need a trim. There are two common ways to start an erase command. The first way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, then look at the Modify panel. Here, you'll find the Erase tool. Click on the Erase tool. Now, look at the command line. AutoCAD will ask you for the select an object. This means AutoCAD wants you to show which object you want to remove. Select the object, then press Enter. AutoCAD erase that object completely. The second way to start the command is using typing. Go to the command line, type E and press Enter. This starts the erase command. So remember, E is the shortcut for erase. Typing the shortcut is faster, and this is how AutoCAD users work professionally. Just like M for move, CO for copy, TR for trim, EX for extend, E is for erase. Now let's understand the basic erase workflow. First, draw a simple line or circle. Now, type E and press Enter. AutoCAD will ask you to select an object. Click on the line or circle. Now, select and press Enter. Now, AutoCAD will remove the objects you selected from the drawing. That is the basic idea. Start an erase, select an object, press Enter, the object will be removed. Very simple. You can also erase more than one object at the same time. Start an erase command, type E and press Enter. Now, select the multiple objects one by one. For example, click a line, then click a circle, then click a rectangle. After selecting all the objects you want to remove, press Enter. AutoCAD erase all selected objects together. This is useful when you want to clean up many unwanted objects quickly. Sometimes selecting an object one by one takes too much time. In that case, you can use the selection window. Start an erase command, type E, press Enter. Now click in an empty area and drag the window around the objects you want to erase. Select the objects, then press Enter. AutoCAD removes the selected objects. This is useful when you have many objects at one area and you want to delete it together. But be careful, do not select objects that you still needed. There is also another easy way to erase objects. You can select an object first, then press the delete key on your keyboard. For example, click on a circle. Now press the delete key. The circle will be removed. This is simple and fast. But as a beginner, you should still understand the erase command properly because the command method helps you to follow the AutoCAD's workflow and command line instructions. So remember, you can use E and Enter, or you can select an object and press Delete. Both removes the object. AutoCAD also allows something called pre-selection. That means the selected object before starting the command. For example, click on a rectangle first. Now type E and press Enter. AutoCAD erases the selected rectangle. This is also common workflow. So there are two ways. Start erase first, then select an object. Or you can select the object first and then start the erase command. Both works perfectly fine. Use whichever feels easier for you. Sometimes you may erase the wrong object. Don't panic. You can use undo. Press Ctrl Z or type U and press Enter. AutoCAD brings that erased object back. This is very important for the beginners. If you accidentally erase something, use undo immediately. So remember, erase removes the object, undo bring it back. This will save many times while you are practicing. So let's quickly summarize the erase command. The erase command is used to remove the object from the drawing. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Modify panel. You can also press E and Enter. Select the object and press Enter. AutoCAD will fully remove that object. You can also select an object and press Enter the Delete key. Trim removes the part of an object. Erase will remove the whole part. And if you erase something by mistake, use Ctrl Z to undo it. Before moving to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Draw a line, a circle, and a rectangle. Now type E and press Enter. Select the line. Press Enter. The line is erased. Now select a circle first. Press the Delete key. The circle is erased now. Now draw a few more objects. Type E and press Enter. Select multiple objects. Press Enter. AutoCAD erase them together. Finally, press Ctrl plus Z. And this is how AutoCAD bring it back erase object. Practice this a few times so you become comfortable with deleting objects safely. So this was the erase command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that erase is used when you want to remove the full object from drawing. If you want to remove only part of an object, use trim. If you want to remove full object, use erase. This command is simple, but used all the time while drawing, editing, cleaning, and correcting mistakes. In the next video, we'll understand the explode command. The explode command is used to break combined objects into separate parts. So in the next lesson, we'll learn how to separate objects like blocks, polylines, and group geometry in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.